What is up, you guys? We are back with another video today. This is the same day that I am filming like the G37 intro video to YouTube. And like I said in that video, today we're going to be changing my oil because I don't know when the previous owner last changed it. So that's what we are going to be doing today. I am very excited to do this. So at Z1, the oil that I'm going to be using is just the OEM ester oil, and then the OEM oil filter as well. So I am very excited to do this. So I will see you guys whenever my car is up on the lift. We have the car on the lift. So my dad helped me drive up there and put all on there and blah blah blah. And what we did is we went ahead and we took off my undershroud. This is all messed up, so I don't even know if I'm gonna put it back on there. It's actually pretty clean, and if you guys see, I'm not leaking any oil at all. So I'm probably just going to leave that off because I'll get a new one in a month and a half or so. But while we were taking that off, I was just looking around, and this exhaust is so tiny all the way back. So I don't know, I just found that to be pretty funny. I can't wait till I get a new one on. So and then we were just messing around, and I'm missing a little nut right here for my sway bar, but that's no big deal because I'll just get a new sway bar a little bit later on. But now what we're going to go on ahead and do is, my car has been sitting for a while. We opened up my my oil cap on top of the engine, and I pretty much just took that off, so that will help the oil flow better as it's coming out. So I'm about to unbolt this bolt right here and let the oil drain out. So let's go ahead and get started with that. So I don't know what all my camera caught, but we just got the bolt off and the oil is just getting done draining. I used a set of pliers to help me get it off because my oil is still pretty hot. So I didn't want to burn myself or lose the screw inside the oil pan catcher thing. So that's why I used that, and then I switched to a ratchet when I was about done and got it off that way. So we have my bolt in here, just it's very hot, so I have it in here. And then once this all gets done draining, we are going to take the oil filter off, and that will almost be the end of the video. And then we're going to just drop the car, put some more oil in it, and it will be set. So I will talk to you guys once the oil gets all done dripping. So I went ahead and I put the bolt back in, so now it is time to take my oil filter out. So what I'm gonna do for this is, my dad's got two of these things. They're supposed to fit on your oil filter, so I'm gonna see if one fits. I don't even know, and I'm pretty sure this one's gonna be a no as well. You have to look too big. I don't have a screw in mind, so I'll be right back in 1 minute. So you guys, I am back, and I got my new oil filter in and my drain plug and everything in there. I had to have my dad help me because it doesn't have a like a part where you can put one of these on there. So I had him, and luckily he had the oil filter wrenches. So we got the old one off, put the new one on, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through really quickly and just fix up like all this tiny stuff, make it all stick up. Because I do scrape, believe it or not, but that's because this piece right here is broken. So I'm gonna go ahead, fix up all that stuff, drop the car, put some oil in it, and then I will be heading out. So see you guys in just a minute.